Hello guys, I'm Tim with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service collision and renovation center. Today we've got a 2021 Forest River FR3 that we did some upgrades to. One of them upgrades is in the water bay. She wanted a water softener, we installed a water softener. She wanted a reverse osmosis system, 3 filter system, so we installed that, as well as a cord reel for her actual domestic water usage for her city water hookup. So we also installed a few other things that we'll take care of in just a moment. This is on the Ford V10 chassis, or F53 chassis with the V10 in it. And what it's got is, and this pertains to any Class A or Class C motorhome, typically on a 110 1-ton or above chassis with dually wheels on the back, is often people have problems filling and or monitoring their inside duals or their outside duals. So, and that's because on a dually wheel, the rim is actually flipped opposite way. So therefore the valve stem, which is here, this is pointing to the inside. And yes, they make valve stem extensions similar to this. This is a braided hose option. You can see that this one has been on not too long, but it is actually already kind of kinked on the one side. And that's what caused her inner dually on that side to actually deflate. So needless to say, we're installing the correct and the premier valve stem extension systems there is in the industry. And that is a dually valve system. It covers the inside and the outside dual. So physically, this is your outside one that actually goes, of course, pointing to the inside and then reverses through the handhole on the outside wheel. On the back, you have a solid valve stem that actually has to be bent and contoured through the handhole to actually come outside, so your valve monitoring or your monitoring system for the tires mounts right here. If you need to refill your tires or monitor it, you simply just unthread it, you fill your tire, and you're good to go again. Then what the unique thing is, this is a stabilizer. This stabilizer goes in the outside rim in through the handhole, which causes or which allows the tire monitoring to be stabilized, therefore in the motion of going down the road. And when you put your tire monitoring system on the outside, the little bit of added weight to that stabilizes that valve stem, so you don't ever have any tire problems caused by defective valve stems. When this coach came, it came with a standard 50 amp cord. This was actually the cord that would go to the wall. This end here actually went into the customer surge protector that was installed here upon delivery. I'm not, and they may have had that included from the get-go, but when it came here, it had the surge protector already installed. So customer has difficulties handling a great big huge extension cord, let alone something that has to go through the pilot hole or through the handle down in the bottom. So what we recommended to her is a power cord option, in which we took her existing 50 amp cord, took it out of the surge protector, and then put a actually 50 amp female end. So now she has a 50 amp cord that is portable. On second note, regarding the actual 50 amp cord reel, is we installed a cord reel right here, and this system here. Now on this particular model, it does not have a built-in ATS switch or automatic transfer switch. So she does have to plug in her generator over here through this outlet here. So we gave her a couple things. So she not only got a 50 amp cord for a power cord reel, but she also gained a 50 amp extension cord, and she's all happy. So if you need any accessories or improvements to your recreational vehicle, come see MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana.